Okay, if you need a little help enrolling in courses for the first time, all you have to do is follow these steps. First, you can open your favorite internet browser and go to www.lfcc.edu, then click on My LFCC. Log into your My LFCC account. If you have forgotten your login information, or if this is the first time you are logging in, please click Forgot Username or Forgot Password to get started. Once you log in, it will bring you to your account home screen, then click SIS. From this landing page, you will choose Student Center. Your Student Center is the hub of your student information system. It's a great place to start every time you enter SIS because you can find everything you need to manage your academic account here. Okay, in your Student Center, click Search for Classes. Once you are here, please take notice of the tabs located at the top of the screen. These tabs will allow you to plan out your future semesters in the Plan tab, view your academic requirements for your program in the My Academics tab, and add or drop courses as well in the Enroll tab. Anytime you're here in Oracle, it's best to always find a way to get back to your previous screen through a tab or a link on the page. Do not hit your browser's back button when you're in Oracle. It will log you out of the system and cause you to have to start the search process over again. But now you're ready to begin searching for your classes. First, you want to verify that the institution and the term are correct. Be sure the institution says Lord Fairfax Community College and the term is showing the term that you're planning to take classes in. Next, you will use the text box beside subject to type in your subject code. If you don't know your subject code, you can click Select Subject and find the subject of the class you're looking for. After you type in the subject, you will then type in the course number in the text box here beside the course number section. If you do not know the course number you need, you can leave this blank and it will show you all the classes that have the subject SDV so you can search for the one you need. But if you know your course number, you'll just type it here. Okay, now we can leave Course Career blank and move down to the campus. It's a good idea to choose the campus to help you narrow down all the courses that are available on the campus you would like to take them. We have 2 campuses at LFCC and 2 centers. So if you choose Middletown, that will narrow your results to Middletown campus and the Luray Page County Center. If you choose Fauquier, that narrows your results to Fauquier campus and the Vent Hill Center. So choose the campus you're looking for. You can leave mode of instruction blank unless you're searching for courses that are solely hybrid or solely online. The additional search criteria section can also help you narrow things down even further. But for now, we're all set and we're ready to search. Click Search. Okay, this page shows your search results. There are a few things to take a look at on this page. First, these 2 boxes above the results show any of your currently scheduled classes in the My Class Schedule box, and your shopping cart, which is where any class you choose during your search will hang out until you're ready to enroll in all your courses. These status icons will tell you if a class is open, which is the green circle, closed, which is the blue square, or if there is a wait list for the course, which is the yellow triangle. Make sure you choose a course that has the green circle next to it. That means the class is still open. If you see the blue square or yellow triangle, the class is closed. At LFCC, we do not wait list, so the yellow triangle also means closed for us. Looking down at the results, let's go over how to read this. The dark blue bar here will tell you the class you've searched for. So everything you see below it is a section of that class that is being offered at some point in the term you chose. The section number here tells you that this is a regular session course, which means the class meets for the full semester session, which is 15 weeks. You can coordinate the section with the meeting dates, and you'll see that this class meets from August 21st to December 17th. The days and times portion tells you that this class meets every Monday from 4 o'clock to 4:50 p.m. The room tells you that the class is held on the Middletown campus, MC, in the Fairfax Hall building in room 300, and the instructor for this course is Christopher Boyce. Make sure you're always paying attention to the section details. As you can see on this section, it shows that the class is an 8-week 1 course, which means that the class only meets for the first 8 weeks of the semester. You can see over here in meeting dates that the class begins August 21st but ends October 16th. If you scroll down further, you can see that some section numbers show 8-week 2 classes. This means that the class meets only in the second 8 weeks of the semester. You can see here that this class doesn't even begin until October 17th and ends on December 17th. We also have 12-week and dynamic sessions for some courses. So please be aware of that in the section numbers so you'll know what session your class is and when it begins and ends, which can affect other things like drop and withdraw. You can also click on the section and it will take you to a page that will tell you more details about the class, like how many credits it is, how many open seats are still available, and a brief description of the course. Click View Search Results to get back to your previous page. Alright, once you've found the class that you want to take, you can choose Select. On this next page, it will tell you any prerequisites you may have for the course. Always make sure that if you see prerequisites, you have met those before you continue past this point. And you would typically see those right here in this area. But for this course, there are no prerequisites, so you can just click Next. It will then take you back to your search results and you should see this message. This indicates that the course you just selected has been added to your shopping cart. Then you will see the course show up right here. At this point, you can just click Modify Search and search for and add any additional courses you would like to enroll in for the term. Okay, once you've added all the classes you want to your shopping cart, you can then click the word Shopping Cart to take you there so that you can see all the classes you've chosen to enroll in. To complete the enrollment process, all you need to do is click the Select button by each of the classes you would like to enroll in, and then click Enroll. This next page lets you review and confirm your classes again. Then you can click Finish Enrolling, and you will receive an enrollment confirmation on the next page. You should see green check marks beside each class to indicate that you have successfully enrolled in your courses. If you see a red X beside a class that you chose, that means there's an error and you are not enrolled in that course. You will need to then read the error message and resolve it before you can enroll in the course. If you have questions about your error message, please contact admissions or advising. If you were able to successfully enroll, you can then click My Class Schedule and Book Info to view and print your schedule and see what books you need for your courses. And you're now enrolled in courses. If you have any additional questions about enrolling, please contact advising.